Igo kopieyo. What does this sentence mean? If you notice, the word in red letter is igo. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we are going to study about the word igo. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time out here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 184. Igo. Igo. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is I, the second syllable is go. Pronounce it with me. Igo. Igo. The meaning of the word igo is this. So, this is used to indicate that you are talking about an object that is near to you. How do we write igo in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable. To be able to write the syllable I in Hangul, we need to draw first a placeholder iyang, followed by an I character. For the second syllable go, we need to draw first a giyak character, followed by the a character. And then we just have to combine the Hangul for each of these two syllables to form the Hangul of the word igo. Now let's try to look into this example English sentence. It says, this is coffee. Again, this is coffee. The Korean translation of this sentence is igo kopieyo. Again, it's igo kopieyo. Igo is our word for today, and this is used to say literally this in English. Or this is used to actually indicate that you are talking about an object that is located right next to you or near to you. And for the case of this sentence, the object that we are talking about is coffee or copy. Now, when we are talking about Korean grammar, they add suffix such as yeyo or ieyo depending on the ending sound of the object. And for this case, the suffix is yeyo. The suffix yeyo literally means it is, or this is used to declare what something is. For example, when we say kopieyo, it's the same as declaring it is coffee. But when we plainly say kopieyo, we won't have any idea about the location of the object that we are talking about. So when I say kopieyo, I'm just declaring that it's coffee. But when we add igo at the beginning, we can say that the object that we're actually talking about is nearby. So when we say igo kopieyo, it actually means this is coffee. And this would give us an idea that the object that we are talking about is located near to the speaker. So again, when we combine igo kopieyo, it would result to a sentence that means this is coffee. So looking back to this, which is flashed at the beginning of the video, we already know by now that the meaning of the sentence igo kopieyo is simply this is coffee. And with that, you've just learned igo. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 174 to 183. But don't forget our word for today, word number 184, igo, which means this. Word number 183 is yongo, and this is the Korean term for English language. Word number 182 is 한국어, and this is the Korean term for the Korean language itself. Word number 181 is 여러분, and this is the Korean term for everyone. Word number 180 is pizza, which is actually the Korean loan word for the common food, which is pizza. Word number 179 is 싫어, which means I hate it. Word number 178 is hana, which pertains to number 1 of the native Korean numbers. Word number 177 is 슬프다. This is a verb which means to be sad. Word number 176 is 울지마. This is an informal way of saying don't cry. Word number 175 is bo or mo, and this is used to ask what. And the last for our review is word number 174, 내가 or 내가, and this is a pronoun which means I or me. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.